I've watched the cows spin a milking at 5 a.m. I've seen a deer being majestic within the glen. Sights and sounds of our nature will get you through. Bare feet on grass will ground your troubled soul too.
The path that we've each taken is by our choice. Crossroads within each our life. Take heed of that inner voice. Accept it or reject it, it's up to you. It's nature's way of guiding us when indecision has got hold of you too.
Our nation, cities are just dens of debauchery. Residents so devoid of life, life becomes worthless. Do you see so much concrete, so much metal, such disconnect? Without you even realized your life you will have wrecked.
Swallowed and consumed, chewed up then spat out. Without true nature in your life, your mind will no doubt melt. This here earth has its own lifelines, a soul within. Connect with it and you will see your spiritual journey will begin.
So that when you watch the cows being milked at 5 a.m., the smells of surrounding countryside will fill your nostrils once again. The peace that you inhale will see you through. For nature's taking hold of you as only God's creation could truly do. As you watch the majestic deer wandering, you've a sense of awe and wonder. Inner healing does begin with a view of fields and trees as far as your eyes can see. A breath you will have taken and that air will set you free. So connect with your bare feet upon this earth. Mother Nature will be waiting. Sink your feet within her turf. Open your mind to your senses. Just let go. Oh, be at one with all around you. She'll quake your hand and you she'll show. You are not here to work, to worship gods or to slave. You're merely a creature of this natural force. An integral, majestic entourage that once dwelt within its caves. Be thankful for the air you breathe, for the trees, the earth, the water too. Thankful to our Mother Nature for placing God in each of you.